Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this impromptu video. Yeah, I know I normally upload on a Sunday, but I just thought I would get on here and film this quick video because I didn't want to waste it, you know. And in this video, all I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be showing you an unbraiding, okay, because my last video, I will link it up here. This is the video where I try to do a Mercy Gono's fluffy, lovely, curly, wavy twist out or braid out, and basically it was an epic fail in my eyes. But so many of you DM'd me on Instagram, and some of you requested in that video's comments that you wanted to see what it was like once the curls have set overnight to get that good bouncy, voluptuous curls and definition. So this is what I'm gonna do. So if you want to see those results, just hang on. Okay, so I have slept overnight and your girl looks like she's bald. And I prepared this part of my hair by strapping it down with this little ting, which I don't normally do, but oh, I got some waves. Look at the waves. And I'm quite pleased with that. And I'm quite surprised as well that my hair hasn't reverted completely, because I'm going through my perimenopause stage, and trust me, sister. So my hair has been stretched for about 4 days now, and every day I have left it in bunches, either twisted in the bunch or just kind of left, you know, in their little bunches. And I've left it alone. I've just left my hair alone because I want my hair to go really long and healthy. So whilst I was watching a movie with my husband last night, I just kind of, as I do, start putting my hands in my hair. And I thought, oh, you know what? I'm gonna braid my hair up. So I did 2 braids, which I don't normally do because I actually prefer the wave of a twist rather than a braid. I don't know, but I just do. So I'm about to do the unraveling. Never done one of these videos before. Kind of feel like, what is the point? I'm hoping this video is not going to be too long because... Oh, so I just want you to notice I've done a midweek moisture boost since I washed my hair, and I basically haven't needed to re-moisture my hair because it's not needed. You can see the shine there. There is so much moisture in my plaits. So to take these down, first of all, I've got to use some oil because I don't want freeze. So I know that wash day is in a couple of days' time. I'm using some Mel's Butter Me Up, about that much on my hands. You can use oil if you like. I'm using Mel's Butter Me Up because it is rich with intense moisturising and hair growth ingredients, and it turns into an oil. First of all, I'm going to do that just to put it all over the hair. I don't want any frizz. Let's unravel the ting. So far, so good. Putting some more on my hands. Not nervous at all. I need to breathe. Ooh, oh my goodness. Oh, this is going good. This is going good. Chalet. Okay, let me just calm down because it's not over yet, is it? All right. I'm sure you can unravel this a lot quicker, but I want to have a really good braid out. All right, then we are leaving it here. Look at that. That looks very juicy. It looks like it's just been washed, and imagine that, 4 days old. Right, so moving on to the next one. I have to say that my healthy hair routine, I've got it locked down to a science now. I really believe I have. And I've put my routine in a really easy to follow, very simple ebook. So I have an ebook that's going to be launched later today. And I kind of thought the first 50 people get it for half price, okay? So you'll be able to go on the Amarami website and download the link. That looks good, doesn't it? Oh my goodness. So now what I've got to do is sort out the flyaways. I've got some flyaways here. Whatever is on the Mel's Butter Me Up, just get it all on there. Okay, so this is the part. This is the part that can go all wrong, you know, it can go just completely wrong. I feel like I want to just leave it like this, but it looks a little bit odd, okay? Okay, so I'm gonna separate just a few of them, all right? And we're going to see what the result is going to look like, hey? Mercy, you're not the only one who can have juicy hair. All right, it's going good, it's going good. I'm happy with that so far. I'm going to move on to the next one. I'm getting carried away and making this side very frizzy. All right, so we got definition there. That's better. All right, so now we go in with the pick, okay? And we go from underneath. Hey, this is much better. I think my edges are in a bit of trouble. I need to find a way to work them out and get them growing again. I think I got it. I think I done it. So this is definitely better. I can testify now that this style is a very simple, very easy, low manipulation, and once left for the curls to set in either overnight or for at least 8 hours, you get really lovely, beachy, wavy, bouncy, fluffy, healthy looking curls for a great braid out or twist out. So that's it. Now you guys can tell me if I pulled it off. I think I pulled it off this time, don't you? Let me know if you like these little videos where I'm just inviting you into my normal hair day routine. If you do like it, I'll upload these little ones more often. You got to let me know. Also, if you're interested, like mentioned before, I have an ebook coming out today. I got to in this ebook is a very simple routine to help anybody. And even if you've got your hair locked down and established, my sister, something in there will be of some help to you. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget, my normal Sunday video will be up. And thank you so much to my new subscribers who have joined. Welcome. And thank you so much to my online friends. You guys are the best. You're the best, and you guys are the ones that keep me uploading content. I'm really grateful to have you as my online friends. I really am, and I appreciate your time. I appreciate your support. Sometimes I get my tissue ready, you know, it warms my heart. Anyway, guys, I'll see you again in my usual upload day, which is on Sunday, and I want you to look after yourself in these times. Stay safe, have a clear mind, meditate on peace. Take care, guys, and God bless you. Mwah. Bye. Oh, fine.